Lions. This is our very first Friday flag assembly for distance learning. And happy May 1st. Remember, we always start our flag assemblies with the Pledge of Allegiance, and I have the flag behind me. Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Lions, so I have some announcements for you. Remember, every day is Spirit Day with distance learning. So next week, Monday, Pajama Day. Tuesday is Cinco de Mayo, so wear your Cinco de Mayo outfits. Wednesday is Yellow Day. Thursday is Crazy Socks Day. And then Friday, once again, is our Lion Pride Day. Also, boys and girls, next week is a very special week. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. The PTO will be sending out some really fun activities for you to do for your teachers to make sure that you tell them that you love them, you care about them, and you're so thankful for what they did during this school year. All right, Lions, we have another video for you right after this one with a very special treat. I'm signing off, and I'll see you next week.